In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets, so your headers or key info always stay visible even when you scroll. If that sounds useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more time-saving tips just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, let's freeze a row. This is great if you want to keep your column headers locked at the top. Just head over to the top menu and click on View. Then hover over Freeze. You'll see a few options here. Choose one row to freeze the top row or up to current row if you've selected a different one. And boom, that row is now frozen. When you scroll down, it'll stay right there. Now let's freeze a column. Maybe your first column has names or dates that you don't want to lose sight of as you scroll sideways. Same steps. Click View, hover over Freeze, and this time select one column. That'll freeze the leftmost column. If you want to freeze more than one row or column, just select the cell below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to freeze. Then go to View, then Freeze, and choose up to current row and column. And if you ever want to undo it, just go back to View, Freeze, No Rows, or No Columns. Super simple. That's it. Now your headers or key data stay locked in place, and you can scroll freely without getting lost. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.